Yeah, man. I know you heard this one before, but when I say the worst drivers in the DMV has the worst drivers in the world. I had someone turn in the turning lane. I was making a left. The other two lanes, you got to go straight. So the guy decides to make a left in the same lane, in the only left lane, but he was in the right lane. And almost ain't go well. Almost, you know what I'm saying? We almost both went to the hospital. You know what I mean? And it's ridiculous that people, and then it's like they act like they don't know what they done. You know, if they did something wrong or not. But it's people, man. I don't know how you get your license, man. It's like every day I encounter some wild stuff on the highway, man. It's terrible, man. Especially Maryland. DC terrible too, but Maryland and Virginia, man, they on a whole nother level with it. You know what I mean? It's the whole DMV though, be honest with you. You know what I mean? But yeah, be safe out here. Be careful when you're driving, man. Please, man. I almost was in the hospital. I ain't even gonna hold you. Almost took that trip. Ambulance type shit, you know what I mean? Fire trucks and shit. You know what I mean? But y'all have a blessed one, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all.